Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today I wanted to touch on my 2024 Suzuki GSX-8, our bike. I've seen several reviews, and they're pretty accurate depending on which one you watch. This is my review. This is kind of subjective depending on the rider and owner's experience. Just some backside information up front. I sold my Harley Dresser 2 years ago due to the weight. A 66-year-old biker didn't need a 950-pound bike to ride around town by himself. The Suzuki GSX-8 is a light, nimble, middleweight sports bike that blends sporty handling along with comfort and awesome performance. The cutting-edge sports bike styling of the GSX-8 immediately catches your eye. But it's the sophisticated balance of power, handling, responsiveness, and full control which draws you in. It's a great blending of everything that invites all riders to a riding pleasure, whether commuting or riding in town, or heading out for a run through winding mountain roads, which I do a lot. The full fairing design pays respect to the over 35-year heritage of the iconic GSX-R series motorcycles from Suzuki. The upright riding position is comfortable for long rides, as well as a quick ride to town. This bike catches eyes wherever it goes. There's a lot of discussion about the quick shifter when this bike first came out. I have to admit, the quick shifter was kind of clunky when I first got the bike, but it wasn't an issue. Well, after 2 years and 5,500 miles, it actually smoothed out and is actually pretty pleasant. The seat is surprisingly comfortable, especially on long rides. Most bikes come with a cheap, uncomfortable seat. I ride with a variety of other bikes, Harley Fat Boys, Kawasaki 650 Ninjas, and a Honda CBR 650. In a sprint, the only bike that can even hold a candle to me is the Honda CBR 650, but off the line, it takes him at least 200 feet to catch up. I got the torque down low and in the mid-range, but once the Honda's inline 4 gets wound up, it's a fair fight. The Honda can take me on the top end, but around town that's not an issue. The GSX-8 is powered by a 776 cubic centimeters parallel twin producing around 82 horsepower and around 58 foot-pounds of torque at 6,800 revolutions per minute. The power delivery is linear and predictable. Around 4,000 revolutions per minute, the bike is producing around 85% of the available torque. If you're looking for a great all-around bike, this is the bike. The handling, looks, performance, and pricing really can't be beat. You won't find another quality bike like this from the other bike manufacturers for under $10,000, except for maybe a Chinese-made CF Moto. Just a side note, I'm not sponsored by anyone. If anything, I'm sponsoring Suzuki, Red Bull, Hooters, and Marlboro Lights. If you found anything interesting in this video, please give me a thumbs up. Again, thanks for stopping by, and be safe out there.